It has been a long journey. We're not perfect, but our main focus and values is our staff. We are a family business, a family organisation, putting our families first. Yeah, we have some staff that work some really long hours, and we're grateful for them, and they're delivering for us. When you talk about the mental state of everybody at the moment, probably I do know for a fact domestic violence is on the rise, with people being crammed in at home. Domestic violence meaning children and parents. Probably my word of advice would have to be Talanoa, speak, talk. If I go back a few years, I was in a very dark space too myself. Everything hasn't been, flowers and thing the whole way. But I was really blessed to be surrounded by good men that I could talk to. I'd like to think we're real diverse. Like we're not just boys that work for Mealamu Security. We have grandmothers, we have grandfathers. I'm a grandfather myself. We have young, old kids that just leave